The hibiscus, with its vibrant colors and delicate petals, is a true emblem of tropical beauty. Belonging to the Malvaceae family, this diverse genus encompasses hundreds of species, each boasting unique charm. From the bold reds and oranges to the soft pinks and yellows, hibiscus flowers never fail to captivate the eye. Native to tropical and subtropical regions around the world, hibiscus thrives in warm climates and moist environments. Its large, trumpet-shaped flowers often feature a prominent staminal column, adding to their allure. Beyond their ornamental value, hibiscus flowers have played significant roles in various cultures throughout history. From medicinal uses to culinary applications, this versatile plant has woven itself into the fabric of human civilization. Join us as we delve into the captivating world of hibiscus, exploring its rich history, cultural significance, and diverse uses. The hibiscus's journey through time is as vibrant as its petals. Evidence suggests that this striking flower has graced our planet for centuries, leaving its mark on ancient civilizations. In ancient Egypt, hibiscus was associated with the goddess Isis and symbolized love and beauty. Egyptians utilized various parts of the plant, incorporating them into teas, remedies, and even love potions. Traveling east, hibiscus held a prominent place in Chinese culture, representing wealth, fame, and fleeting beauty. Its delicate blooms were often depicted in traditional art and poetry, symbolizing the ephemeral nature of life's pleasures. Across the Pacific, hibiscus played an integral role in Polynesian culture. Known as Pua Aloalo in Hawaiian, hibiscus represents royalty, power, and hospitality. These vibrant flowers adorned lei, ceremonial attire, and even marked social status within the community. The hibiscus, with its captivating beauty, has transcended geographical boundaries to become a cherished symbol across diverse cultures. Its vibrant blooms evoke feelings of joy, passion, and tropical paradise. In India, hibiscus is associated with the goddess Kali and is often used in religious ceremonies. Red hibiscus flowers are particularly significant, symbolizing fertility, femininity, and the cycle of life. Across Southeast Asia, hibiscus is a popular ornamental plant, adorning homes, temples, and public spaces. In Malaysia, the hibiscus, known as Bunga Raya, holds the esteemed title of the national flower, representing unity and resilience. Even in modern Western culture, hibiscus continues to captivate. Its vibrant blooms are often incorporated into fashion, art, and design, adding a touch of exotic allure. From tropical-themed parties to summery cocktails, hibiscus evokes a sense of carefree joy and escapism. The allure of hibiscus extends far beyond its ornamental beauty. Throughout history, various parts of the plant have been utilized for their medicinal, culinary, and even industrial properties. In traditional medicine, hibiscus has been employed to treat a wide range of ailments. Hibiscus tea, brewed from the dried calices of the Hibiscus sabdarifa flower, is renowned for its potential health benefits. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, it is believed to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and boost the immune system. Hibiscus flowers also lend their unique tartness and vibrant color to various culinary creations. In Mexico, hibiscus is a key ingredient in agua de Jamaica, a refreshing beverage made from steeped hibiscus flowers, sugar, and water. In the Caribbean, hibiscus flowers are used to make jams, jellies, and even infused rum. Beyond food and medicine, hibiscus fibers have been traditionally used to make paper, rope, and even clothing. The plant's robust stems can be processed to extract a strong fiber, highlighting its versatility. In this final chapter, we will summarize the key points discussed about the hibiscus plant and its significance. From its humble beginnings in tropical and subtropical regions, the hibiscus has journeyed through time, leaving an indelible mark on various cultures and traditions. Its vibrant blooms have not only adorned gardens, but have also played a crucial role in rituals, folklore, and art. We explored the diverse uses of hibiscus, from its medicinal properties that have healed countless ailments to its culinary applications that tantalize taste buds around the world. The plant's industrial uses, from paper to rope, further showcase its versatility and importance. As we close our exploration, we reflect on the enduring legacy of the hibiscus, a plant that continues to inspire, heal, and bring beauty into our lives. The hibiscus has been a symbol of beauty and resilience, cherished by many for its myriad uses and cultural significance. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of hibiscus. If you're captivated by the rich history and incredible uses of plants, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join our community to dive deeper into the botanical world and uncover more gardening secrets. Your subscription supports our channel and helps us bring more fascinating plant stories to you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.